Moving along through our tutorial series, the next thing we're going to do is create a bio for our teacher. So to add a bio, it's over in Site. And then if you scroll down the menu in the bios, this is where we have the bios. When you first create a school, your first account that you create, they create a bio for it. And we just need to go in and edit it. So I'm just going to add a tag in here. Your instructor. And we're going to add an image. And I'm just going to grab one from my computer here. I'm just going to drag this in here. And we're going to hit upload. And the upload's complete, so that's my image. And then we can have a bio here. So I've been teaching technology courses for the past 20 plus years. And you have full access to all the tools like bolding, italicizing, underlining. I suggest that you spend a little bit of time making sure that you go into the bio and you add some really relevant information, and think of it from a sales point of view, because this is going to show up on the sales page, or can show up on the sales page of who's teaching the course. So you want it to be really convincing why you're the expert. You can even add more images if you want. So I'm just going to save this. And you can see now here I've got my image and my headline, which is your instructor. And you can add more bios if you want. So I'm just going to add another one here. Bob Hellstrom. And your other instructor. Okay, so again, I got some dummy text in there, that's all. I'm going to add that to my bio. So here I have my two bios, one for Bob and one for Rob, just to show you that you can have multiple bios. And now we need to associate users with them. Now normally every instructor would be also a... So to look at that, we are going to go into our dashboard and we're going to go back up to users, and you can see there's a number of users. So right now in my demo school I don't have any students, and if I go into owners, I have one owner. Then I can go to my authors, and I don't have any authors assigned at this moment. And then this is affiliates. And then lastly, a custom, but you have to have the paid plans to do that. So just to give you a scenario, you could have a student who then decides that they want to be an affiliate. So then you can add them as an affiliate so that they're able to make money from directing traffic to your course.